Tell us about this machine.
The name of the machine is circular weaving machine. And the product made in this machine is a circular fabric, absolutely circular fabric. Actually, it is this machine was developed to make a seamless bag. We know the seam strength actually is a 1/3 of the actual fabric strength. So, there was a problem of making bags from any fabric, because seam at the seam places, seam areas, it is weaker than the fabric, and most of the bursts are taken place in this at the seam sides. So, if we can eliminate the side seams, then the strength of the bag or the bursting strength of the bag will be increased. So, this type of fabric machine was developed. First it was developed at France, then it was the technology was adopted by the England, and then all over India. The main advantage of this machine, that in case of flat weaving machine, we know the one shuttle goes one side, then again it was again picked and again goes to the opposite side. But here 4 shuttles or 6 shuttles or 8 shuttles move simultaneously. So, picks are increased by 4 times or 6 times or 8 times. So, machine is highly productive, and if you go for the a number of machines at a time, installing at a time, so your worker requirement or labor requirement will be much less, at least 4 times lesser than the conventional weaving machines for jute. Now, another thing is that this machine is absolutely automatic type, highly modern and highly absolutely automatic. If the warp yarn breaks, the machine will stops, then after mending it can be again start, and if the weft yarn is break, again it will be stopped. In any case, the yarns are get loosened or tightened, again in such case also machine will be stopped. Then the weaver who is working at this machine, they can locate the place and they can correct the problem. Now at the present moment we are running the synthetic filament in the warp way and the jute in the weft way. So, that to make a synthetic jute blended fabric, this fabric can also be used for different purpose other than bags. We are now using these bags for geotextiles also by cutting at one side. So, its lay flat width will be much bigger. Another advantage of this machine, it is a space saving machine, because you can understand so much width of the fabric can be woven in a small area, since it is woven in the circular path. So, one is space saver, number 2 high productive, number 3 it is making less labor intensive. So, ultimately the cost of production of the fabric will be goes down like anything. The cost of the machine at the present moment, it is nearly 6 lakhs. So, it can replace if you calculate in such a way that your payback period will come within 3 years to 4 years. And it is another advantage is that due to this automatic stoppage system, flawless fabric can be produced, and the mechanism of this machine is such that machine cannot be highly damaged for any external interference. And you can see its take up system is absolutely different. So, take up and weaving system, they are independent with each other. Whatever fabric is being released over here, that is been taken up by the take up system, and huge roll can be made in one system. these are the main advantage of the machine. Now it is whole world is now making any circular fabric in these circular machines. Previously, after before invention of this machine, generally all the fabrics are made on the flat loom, then it was stitched. Now presently no fabrics are made, any bag fabrics, especially cement bag, fertilizer bag or any packaging system, they are made in the circular weaving machine, and that is mainly used in the synthetic industry, 100% synthetic industry. In NIRJAFT, we are making jute synthetic fabric to make the material more eco-friendly, because the jute content is more than 80% and synthetic content is nearly 20%. So, it is more productive, and jute material will be less costly as compared to the 100% flat woven fabric, much less costlier. This is the main advantage of this machine.
And what about this cheese vendor? It is also
Yes, another thing is that to increase the efficiency of the weft system, weft package system, there is a separate winding system very specially made for this machine, and the bobbin was bobbin size was is like that it can be accommodated in the shuttles, and its content is about 1.5 kg per shuttle. So, at a time you can put about 6 kg weft yarn in the system. So, after exhaustion of this system, it is about several meters of fabric can be produced, and the efficiency of the machine is increased in this way. Nearly if you run this jute synthetic system, the machine efficiency can be increased up to 85% at a speed of 480 picks per minute. So, you can imagine how much fabric can be made per hour or in a day.